Yes, good morning, children. Yesterday we completed the play and let us discuss the question answers now. Why was Mr. Hill upset with Annie? So, Mr. Hill was upset with Annie because Annie has become old and she does not cook well, she does not make good coffee now. What did Mr. Hill expect his wife to do in the parties? Mr. Hill expected his wife to attend the guests in the parties. How can we say that Mrs. Hill was a kind-hearted, considerate lady? We can say that Mrs. Hill was a kind-hearted, considerate lady because she does not want to remove Annie from work. What was Annie's reaction when she came to know that Mr. Hill had lost his job? She might feel bad, but she did not say anything to Mr. Hill. Rather, she came to Mr. Hill to tell him that she will not go anywhere, she will be there only and she will work for him without taking any salary. Write all these 4 questions in your notebook. Now, how will she find a new job? Who is she? She is Annie. And why should she look for a new job? She should look for a new job because she will be removed from from Hill's house. Why will it be difficult for her to find a new job? It will be difficult for her to find a new job as she is old. Why does the speaker react in such a manner? The speaker is Mrs. Hill. She reacts in such a manner as she is a considerate lady and she did not want to remove Annie from work now. Second, we had to do it, sir. We were only thinking of the bank. Who does sir refer to? Sir refers to Mr. Hill, the manager of the bank. Who are we here? We here are those 2 employees who come from bank. Their names were Winter and Briggs. What did they have to do? They will have to remove Mr. Hill from the job. What was their reason for doing so? Their reason for doing so was that Mr. Hill did not work for the bank properly. He did not come in time and he takes a lot of time for lunch, and his behavior with the employees was also not good. But George, why have you changed suddenly? What kind of a man was George earlier? George was a selfish and cruel man earlier. What changes have come over George? George has become sympathetic and considerate now. What is the reason for these changes? The reason for these changes is the dream that he has seen, where he saw that he has left his job and Annie is still ready to work for him without taking any salary. The words given below describe either Mr. Hill or Mrs. Hill. Read them carefully and group them appropriately. Rude, Mr. Hill. Self-centered, Mr. Hill. Arrogant, Mr. Hill. Sensitive, Mrs. Hill. Considerate, Mrs. Hill. Compassionate, Mrs. Hill. Accommodating, Mrs. Hill. Indifferent, Mr. Hill. So these are the words to describe them. Let me tell their meanings also. Rude is someone who is harsh in speaking. Self-centered is selfish. Arrogant is proud. Sensitive is someone who thinks about others. Considerate also, same as sensitive. Compassionate, who feels for others. Accommodating, again helpful. Indifferent, one who is not bothered about others. So write these words for Mr. Hill, make 2 columns. Write the words that suit Mr. Hill with Mr. Hill and the words which suit Mrs. Hill with Mrs. Hill. Do A, B and C parts and we will continue with question answers tomorrow.